Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here coming at you with another video. Guys, if you enjoy making money from home, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, paid surveys, anything that involves being your own boss, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video. Once again, hit that subscribe button and leave a like on the video because that way YouTube will notify you whenever I upload new content, and I'm going to be putting out a lot of content on this channel almost every day, so be tuned for that. In today's video, we're going to go over 3 apps that you could use to make money from home. None of these are going to make you rich, but they can help you catch up with your bills, have some extra spending money, have some extra investing money. Whatever you need the money for, these apps can help you. They do take time, they are work, but they are much better than taking out like a payday loan or something or anything along those lines. And a couple of them are really easy to do. It's almost like free money at some point, right? So let's get into it. We're going to start off with Surveys on the Go. This is on both Apple and Android, so that's on the App Store and Google Play Store. This has been downloaded by like a ton of people. You can check the reviews on both stores. I have an iPhone, so I checked on the App Store. The reviews are great on this. They pay out. They've been paying out for years. And yeah, Surveys on the Go. You will go in, and there will be a ton of different sections of surveys, such as general, demographics, technology, interest. And the reason why you get paid for this is because companies are interested in this data. Companies want to know what people are interested in, so they know where to invest their money. So if you're wondering, hey, why would I get paid for surveys? That's why. That's the rationale. It's because companies want that data. And you will basically go in and you could do surveys every single day and make some extra money. Again, don't expect to get rich off this. If you can make 10 bucks a day in an hour on this, that's not doing too bad as far as paid surveys go. But definitely a decent way to make some extra money if you're falling behind on your bills, or again, you need some extra spending money. Surveys on the Go on both Apple and Android. Next up is Slidejoy. Slidejoy also is a very well-reviewed app. It has 95,000 reviews over on the Google Play Store, has almost 5 stars over here. It has like 4.5 or 4.25 stars. And the way it works is it will basically put ads right on your lock screen. It's basically like free money because you don't have to click the ads. You don't have to click the ads. You don't have to do anything with the ads. They put them on your lock screen and you get paid for it. Now, one of the great things about this is you could get paid right to your PayPal account very quickly. Again, great way to make extra money. And if you don't mind having a couple of advertisements on your lock screen, that's the way to go. Again, this app is only on Google Play. Surveys on the Go is on both stores, on Google Play and the Apple Store. But this app is only on Google Play. So this one is only for you Android users out there. Lastly is Dash. Dash is one of my favorite cashback apps because they don't even use points. They give you hard cash every time you spend at one of the qualified stores. It's very simple. Step 1, you connect your card. You connect your credit card or your debit card. And then whenever you shop at the thousands of stores that are partnered with them, you could get up to 10% cash back to your Dash wallet. And you could transfer your money to your bank account, your PayPal, or you can donate it to charity. So if you want to do your bank account, that's cool. If you want to do the PayPal, that's cool. And if you want to donate to charity, feeling a little bit generous today, that's cool too. It's not points. It's not coupons. You see it right here. Cold hard cash. You'll get notifications on your phone every time you're getting money back, guys. If you want to download Dash, I'll put a link in the description. Check out Dash. Definitely do it. One of the best cashback apps. If you don't do it, you're leaving money on the table. It's free money, guys. It is free money. Do it. There's no reason not to. Even if you're not looking to make extra money, do it because this will save you money. Definitely check it out. Dash app. Link is in the description. But yeah, guys, those are 3 apps you could use to make money from home. All of them pay to PayPal. All of them you can make some decent money without working a 9-to-5 job. Again, Surveys on the Go and Dash app are on both Apple and Android. So those 2 are for everyone. Slidejoy is only on Android. So if just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, I will catch you next time and have a great day.